Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. Taylor here. So on today's unboxing video, I am super excited because I'm going to be unboxing something that I have been wanting for a long time and something that is definitely going to help improve my videos and everything else like that. And that is the Canon EOS M50. Yes, look at it in all of its glory. Now this is a camera that's basically kind of like a DSLR without the really expensive price range. It is a pricey camera. It does have a ton of features which I definitely think are going to make it worth the price point that it's at, but this looks like a fantastic camera. I tested it out when I was buying it and it does look great. It is one of those cameras that has like more or less a selfie mode where the screen will actually turn around and you're actually able to see yourself in it. It has a viewfinder, so that is fantastic. But it also is very much like a DSLR in that you can change out the lenses. The lenses are interchangeable. There are various options and different ones that you can buy, as well as you can put add-ons onto this, like a microphone. It does have a mic input. It does have a top section where you could put like a ring light, camera light, or anything else like that. So let's go ahead and start unboxing this baby. So first up, we're gonna go ahead and open this right here and flip this over, and we see all the stuff neatly packed in there. So we do have quite a Canon online photo album. You can register that now and do that, I guess. And then it also has a very big user manual. A lot of different stuff you can do with it. And then it looks like another warranty thing. So yeah, okay. From here, so we have an EOS strap for Canon, so you can so you can wrap it around your neck. Again, I always suggest carry cameras around your neck. It's like the simplest, easiest way to ensure that you don't lose it. Don't sit there and continuously put it in and out of your bag. Don't keep doing that over and over again. That's just you're not helping the camera any. Just carry it out, put a lens cap on it, done. Next we have the battery charger. Okay. And we've got the battery. And then it looks like this is the lens. Oh yes, that's a pretty lens. Look at that. Yes, that's nice. And it's got a couple different image stabilizer, and it's got a couple, and it looks like it can move out a decent bit. I like that. Camera zoom lens. It says that the zoom on this is 15 to 45 millimeters, so that's not bad. Especially if you're just, starting out in this sort of thing or whatever. Mine is going to be a lot for vlogging and recording my videos and stuff, but I'm sure, but for taking pictures and things like that and other types of videos, this will be a great camera as well. And like I said, it's more of like a DSLR without necessarily the DSLR price, but it's also kind of like a hybrid because it's very vlogging centric. So let's go ahead and take this out, and look at that. Look at that. That's pretty. Look at that. So it does have like a little cap right here that's on it. Take that off, and then that's where the lens will go. And it looks like it's got a little section right here where you can pop this off and pop like a microphone, ring light, or something like that on there. So that's nice. It has the mic input right there. Awesome. And it looks like it has a few different modes in here, recording, pictures, scene, the zoom in, and a whole bunch of different options, it looks like. Let's look at the screen. Oh, see, that's nice. That looks nice and big. And then look at that, it flips up. I love that. Yes. So you can record yourself like that. Bam. So I can just set it on the tripod or whatever and done. Call it a day, and be able to watch myself. That's nice. And it has like all these different angles you can kind of get. Move it up and down. Awesome. And it looks like that flips up to be the flash. So you can actually shut it like that. So if you want to just be taking pictures. It looks like there's a Wi-Fi button. Fantastic. And HDMI. So that's great. Now this has Wi-Fi and NFC. So basically you'll be able to send pictures to the Canon app with this, and also use the Canon app for taking pictures and things like that as well. So let's go ahead and turn it on real quick. Want to see it power up. hold the lens switch in and then rotate the lens to enable shooting. Alright, yeah, that looks really nice. It's a 24 megapixel camera, so it looks fantastic. I don't have a card in there, but yeah, I will definitely, on my review video, I will definitely submit footage and video and everything from this whenever I review it, but this does look awesome. It looks like it has a few different different options, but I'm really loving the whole selfie mode right here. Like, that's beautiful and fantastic, and I can see myself in the viewfinder, and like, yeah, like, I love that. So either way, I'm sure I've got to let the battery charge and everything, but yes, this seems amazing. Can't wait to start using it. So I'll definitely link it below. So this camera is $700, so it is a bit pricey. There are a few cameras that are more point and shoot ones that do have a viewfinder to where you can actually flip it out and see yourself. So that if you want to do that are cheaper, that are more like more for vlogging. This one is kind of a perfect sort of hybrid for doing everything, because I can switch out the lens for if I want to travel and take pictures of something and I get better shots of different things. But I also have a mic on this, and I also can put a ring light on this, and I can see myself, so I can do it for both, for vlogging and for traveling photography, things like that. However, if you just want one for vlogging, then there's probably a couple other options that are going to be a little bit cheaper, but they're not necessarily going to have a microphone input. So you really have to like decide what you're going to be using it for. Since I'm using it for both, I got this one. Like I said, this one's $700. I'll link it down below on Amazon, and then I'll link a couple of different options that are similar to this camera without being as pricey. If you want something that has the option for just the viewfinder without necessarily being able to change out the lens cap and have the microphone and things like that. Again, it all depends on what you want to do with it. In terms of traveling though, I think that this will be a great camera. I'll link a couple down below if you want, that might be a little bit cheaper than this. That would also be good for traveling, but won't have like the microphone input and things like that. It has an internal mic, and I'm sure that that mic is, you know, like any other internal mic on a camera, but we'll see whenever I review it. Anyways, thanks for watching, you guys. If you want to check out more unboxing videos, click this playlist right here. Don't forget to subscribe. Click down here to do that. And if you want to see me reviewing these products, like reviewing this camera right here whenever I release that video, then click up here to see that. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys around the world. Bye.